So welcome back to chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.4 question 6 to 10. So let us go to question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So what all things are given here? First let us see that. A rectangular plot. And the length and breadth ratio is given 11:4. And what is given? The cost of fencing. Cost of fencing means what? Fencing means cost of fencing the four borders of the plot, is it? So the length we can take as 11x and the width we can take as 4x. And the cost of fencing at the rate of 100 per meter. Per meter it is 100 rupees. So what will be the cost of fencing for this entire rectangular plot? That will be the perimeter of the plot into 100, is it? Perimeter of the plot, we will get that if you multiply 100 per meter, that into 100 will give you the total amount. So from this, how can we get the perimeter? The total cost of fencing divided by cost per meter, that will give you the perimeter. So if we get the perimeter, then we know the length and we know the breadth. So we can substitute and we can find length and breadth. Okay, let us do. So length of the plot 11x, breadth is 4x. Total cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, 75,000 rupees. The perimeter is total cost by cost of 1 meter. So perimeter equal to 75,000 by 100, which is equal to 750 meters. 750 meter is the perimeter. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B equal to 750. What is length here? L equal to 11x, B equal to 4x. Let us substitute that. That is 2 into 15x equal to 750. So 30x equal to 750. X equal to 750 by 30. On simplifying, we will get x equal to 25. Now what is the length? Length equal to 11x. That is 11 into 25. 275 meter. And the breadth 4x, which is equal to 4 into 25, 100 meter. Let us move on to next question. Hassan buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms: shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meter of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So many informations are given in this question. So we have to look each of them separately. It is given that cost of shirt material per meter given 50 rupee. Cost of trouser material per meter given 90 rupee. And for the uniform, for every 3 meter of shirt material means it needs 2 meter of trouser materials. So the ratio of the shirt material to the trouser material is what? 3:2. And he is selling at a 12% and 10% profit. That is 50 rupees is the price per meter of the shirt, but he is not selling it for 50 rupees. He is adding 12% to the 50 rupees. And for that he is selling that. Similarly, trouser, it is 90 rupees per meter. He is adding 10% to that, and for that amount he is selling, and the total sale is 36,600. So let us see. Cost of shed material rupees 50. Cost per meter of trouser material rupees 90. Then measure of shirt material 3x and trouser materials let us take as 2x. So cost of 3x material or shirt material will be what? 3x into 50, that is equal to 150x. That is the amount. And 12% profit for shirt material. So selling price of the shirt material will be this 150x plus 12% of 150x. That is 150x plus 12 by 100 of 150x, which is equal to 168x. Or you can do in another way. You can find 12% of 50 directly, that is 12 by 100 into 50, and that into 3x you can do, then also you will get 168. That way also we can do. Now cost of 2x meter trouser materials, 2x into 90, that is 180 x rupees, and 10% of that has to be added. So selling price of trouser material will be the cost price, that is 180x plus 10% of 180x, that we have to add. So we will get 180x plus 10% of 180 means 18x. So 198x. And the total selling price is 36,600. That means 168 plus 190x is equal to 36,600 rupees. So adding both x, what we will get? 366x equal to 36,600. So x equal to, we have to divide 100. So it is asked how much trouser material did he buy. So the length of the trouser material only we need to find. Trouser material is what? 2x. So how much trouser material? 2x, that is 2 into 100. 200 meter of trouser material he bought. Understood? So pause the video and you can note it down. Now question number 8. Half of a herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. So first let us assume that the total number of deer is x. Half of them are grazing. So half of them means what? X by 2. So x by 2 are grazing. Now remaining. What is the remaining? Total minus number of deer grazing. That is x minus x by 2. Remaining deer is x minus x by 2. So that means the other half, x by 2. And it is given that 3/4 of the remaining are playing. That means 3 by 4 of x by 2 are playing. So number of deer playing is what? 3 by 4 of x by 2, which is equal to 3x by 8. And rest 9 are drinking. So number of deer drinking 9. Now this number of deer grazing plus number of deer playing plus number of deer drinking water add up to what? Total number of deer. So let us write the equation. X by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 is equal to x. Now total is always greater, no? So let us rewrite it as x equal to x by 8 plus 3x by 8 plus 9. And we will bring that x by 2 and 3x by 8 to the LHS. So the equation will become x minus x by 2 minus 3x by 8 equal to 9. What is the LCM? 8 is the LCM. So 8x minus 4x minus 3x whole divided by 8 equal to 9. And 8 minus 4, 4, 4 minus 3, 1. So x, 1x. X by 8 equal to 9. So x equal to 9 into 8, 72. So the total number of deer is 72. Now we'll move on to question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So let the age of the granddaughter's age be X. Then what will be grandfather's age? 10 times to 10x. And also given that he is 54 years older than her. So grandfather's age is 10x. That is equal to 54 plus granddaughter's age. That is 10x equal to 54 plus x. That is 10x minus x equal to 54. 9x equal to 54. X equal to 54 by 9, that is 6. That means granddaughter's age equal to 6 years, whereas grandfather's age is equal to 10x, which is equal to 10 into 6, 60 years. Now let us move to the last question of this exercise. Question number 10. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So let son's age equal to x. Then what is Aman's age? 3x. And 10 years ago. So Aman's age 10 years ago. 3x minus 10. Aman's age is 3x now. So 10 years ago, his age is 3x minus 10. Son's age 10 years ago, x minus 10. And it is given that 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. That means 3x minus 10 equal to 5 into x minus 10. So let us open the bracket. 3x minus 10 equal to 5x minus 50. So 5x is greater, no? So I will just rewrite it. 5x minus 50 equal to 3x minus 10. Then 5x minus 3x equal to minus 10 plus 50. That's equal to 40. So x equal to 40 by 2, 10. So son's age is equal to 20 years. And Aman's age is equal to 3x. 3 into 20, 60 years. So that's the end of this exercise 2.4. Thank you.